Lawn damaged by construction or heavy equipment can totally mess with your curb appeal, but you can actually fix those rough patches and get your grass looking lush again without stressing too hard. Okay, so first up, when you see those ruts or bald spots where trucks or machinery have messed everything up, you want to grab a sturdy rake and loosen up all the compacted soil. Like, don't be shy. Fluff it up so your new grass seed or sod has a good spot to settle in. Next, toss down some high-quality topsoil if the ground's really packed or uneven. When you're reseeding, go for a blend that matches your existing grass and sprinkle it evenly over the area. Gently press the seeds in, then cover them with a thin layer of straw or mulch to keep birds away and help the moisture stick around. If you're laying sod, just make sure the pieces fit nice and snug together, kinda like a puzzle. Water the area every day for the first couple weeks, just enough to keep it damp but not soggy. And don't walk on the new lawn until you see that fresh green growth happening. Give it a chance to settle in, you know? One of the biggest mistakes with lawn repair after construction is skipping soil preparation, and that's a huge deal for healthy grass restoration. If you don't loosen up that compacted dirt, grass seed just sits on top and never takes root, so always rake it out first. Another common issue is using the wrong type of seed or sod for your climate or yard conditions. Make sure you pick something that matches your existing lawn and local weather patterns to avoid patchy results. The third problem is watering too much or too little. Overwatering can drown new roots, while underwatering dries everything out before it even gets going, so keep it consistently moist without flooding it. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with trusted local contractors who actually know how to restore lawns damaged by construction, so you're not left guessing what to do next. It also helps contractors show off their skills and land more jobs from homeowners looking for real pros in their area.